Negative radicals involve imaginary numbers, and involves the theorem that we have that the square root of -1, or radical -1, equals the letter I. And so that's basically what we do. We really reduce negative radicals just like positive radicals, but we get an I. And so for the square root of -9, I know that the square root of 9 is 3. Well, the square root of -9 is 3I. And so the answer is 3I. Now, that was just 3 because 9 was a square number. Square root of -20, 20 is not a square number, so I'm not just going to get a number. I'm going to have a radical left as part of my answer. But if I think of it as square root of 20, that would be square root of 4, square root of 5. I would get 2 rad 5. But we're not doing radical 20. We're doing radical -20. So my answer is 2I rad 5. And I could think of it as taking out a square root of -4, which is a 2I instead of just being a 2. And so 5 rad -18. I could think of it as just 5 rad positive 18 and then throw an I to my coefficient. Or I could think of it as taking out, instead of like rad 9 and rad 2, rad -9 and rad 2. Instead of square root of 9 being 3, square root of -9 is 3I. Multiply by the number already out front, we'll get 15I rad 2.